Welcome to Dr. Rao's lecture series. Topic of this video: strength of materials, section modulus of beams. Section modulus. From the theory of bending, the relation between bending moment and bending stress is given as m by I equal to sigma b by y, where m is bending moment, I is moment of inertia of section of the beam, sigma b bending stress developed in the beam due to the loading, y distance of the fiber from the neutral axis, m equal to I into sigma b by y, or m equal to I by y into sigma b. If y max is the distance between the neutral axis of the section and the extreme fiber of the section, the bending stress developed will be maximum for the given loading is bending moment m equal to sigma b max into I by y max. That is equal to sigma b max into z. The term I by y max is known as section modulus. If yt is maximum distance on tension side, I by yt is called section modulus in tension, that is zt. If yc is the maximum distance on compression side, I by yc is called section modulus in compression, zc. But bending moment equal to zt into sigma t equal to zc into sigma c, where sigma t and sigma c are the maximum stresses reached in tension and compression respectively. For a given material to take more bending moment, the section modulus of the beam must be maximum. Consider a problem. Find the ratio of breadth to depth of a rectangle beam that can be cut from a circular log of wood having diameter d for the strongest section in bending. Consider a circular log of diameter d as shown in figure. This is a given figure. Let PQRS be the rectangle section to be cut out of circular log of wood. Let B and D be the width and depth of the rectangle section. The section which is having maximum section modulus will take more bending moment. Section modulus of rectangle section z equal to I by y max. This is the section where I is moment of inertia of the section PQRS about x-axis, that is equal to BD cube by 12. Y max distance between the neutral axis of the section and the extreme fiber of the section, that is equal to d by 2. Section modulus of rectangle section z equal to I by y max, that is equal to BD cube by 12 divided by d by 2, and its value is BD square by 6. From triangle PQS, B square plus D square equal to capital D square. B is breadth of the rectangle section, small d is depth of the rectangle section, capital D is diameter of the log. D square equal to capital D square minus B square. This is equation 1. Substitute the equation 1 in section modulus of rectangle section. Section modulus z equal to B capital D square minus B square by 6. By simplifying, section modulus z equal to B capital D square minus B cube by 6. This is equation 2. To obtain the maximum value of section modulus for the section, differentiate the equation with respect to width B, that is dz by dB equal to 0. dz by dB equal to 0. It implies d by dB of B capital D square minus B cube by 6 equal to 0. By bringing out the constant term 1 by 6 outside, 1 by 6 d by db of b capital D square minus b cube equal to 0. Capital D square minus 3b square equal to 0. It implies capital D square equal to 3b square. It implies capital D equal to root 3b. Substituting the value of capital D in equation 1, we get b square plus d square equal to root 3b square. It implies d square is equal to 4b square, or d equal to root 2b. It implies b by d equal to 1 by root 2 is equal to 0.707. For better bearing of bending moment, the ratio of b by d equal to 0.707.